Hello everyone, I'm Samrita from the class of 12D in Sri Ambal Public School. Today we are going to see a presentation about nationalism in India. In this presentation, we'll be seeing about the famous freedom fighters from the states of West Bengal and Gujarat. The first famous freedom fighter from the state of West Bengal is Matangini Hazra. She was born on 19 October 1869 and died on 29 September 1942. She was a revolutionary in the Indian independence movement who fought for upholding Gandhian principles. Actively involved in the Quit India movement, she led a procession of revolutionaries to seize Tamluk police station in West Bengal on September 29, 1942. The police opened fire at the crowd, causing fatal injury to the 73-year-old Braveheart who was a pacifist. The next leader is Bhagavajan. He was born on 7 December 1879 and died on 10 September 1950. Jatindranath Mukherjee, popularly known as Bhagavajan, played a crucial role in India's freedom movement. With a dream of saving his motherland from the clutches of British rule, the revolutionary led the Jugantar Party in Bengal. He was an extremist and on September 10, 1915, he died after being critically injured in a gunfight with the British police. Inspired by Swami Vivekananda's ideals, one of the bold statements made by Bhagavajan was, "We shall die to awaken the nation." The next freedom fighter is Khudiram Bose. He was born on 3rd December 1889 and died on 11 August 1908. Born at Medinipur in West Bengal, he was amongst the youngest martyrs of India's freedom struggle against the British. At just 15, he had joined Anushilan Samiti and took part in several revolutionary activities against British Raj. He was an extremist leader. He, along with Prafulla Chakki, he attempted to kill British Chief Magistrate Douglas Kingsford at Muzaffarpur in 1908. However, the attempt was unsuccessful and it accidentally led to the death of two British women. This led to Khudiram's arrest and subsequent death sentence. On August 11, 1908, at the age of 18, he was hanged to death. The next freedom fighter is Jatindranath Das. He was born on 27 October 1904 and died on 13 September 1929. He was an Indian revolutionary who took part in Mahatma Gandhi's non-cooperation movement. He was a pacifist leader and he later joined the Anushilan Samiti. Born in Kolkata, he was known as a bright student. He was arrested for his anti-British activities and was imprisoned in Lahore jail. While he was imprisoned there, he went on a hunger strike for 63 days, demanding equality for Indian political prisoners. As a result of this hunger strike, Das finally breathed his last on September 13, 1929. The next freedom fighter is Rabindranath Tagore. He was born on 7 May 1861 and died on 7 August 1941. He wrote the national anthems of India and Bangladesh, and he left his imprint on art and played a role in transforming its practices and ushering into modernism. He was a pacifist leader, and between 1928 and 1940, Rabindranath painted more than 2,000 images that evoked the emotion of nationalism. Next, we'll see the freedom fighters from the state of Gujarat. The first famous freedom fighter from the state of Gujarat is Kasturba Gandhi. Kasturba Mohandas Gandhi was born on 11 April 1869 and died on 22 February 1944. She was the wife of Mahatma Gandhi. Working closely with her husband, Kasturba Gandhi became a political activist fighting for civil rights and Indian independence from the British. From 1904 to 1914, she was active in the Phoenix settlement. During the 1913 protest against working conditions for Indians in South Africa, Kasturba was arrested and sentenced to 3 months in a hard labor prison. She was a pacifist leader, and in 1915, when Gandhi returned to India to support indigo planters, Kasturba accompanied him. She taught hygiene, discipline, health, reading, and writing. She played a very active role during Gandhiji's Satyagraha activities at Sabarmati Ashram, Ahmedabad. The next freedom fighter is Vithalbhai Patel. Vithalbhai Patel was born on 22 October 1873 and died on 1933. He was an Indian legislator and political leader and co-founder of the Swaraj Party. In 1922, he left the Congress to form the Swaraj Party with Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru, which would seek to foil the Raj by sabotaging the government after gaining entry in the councils. In 1923, he was elected to the Central Legislative Assembly, a chamber of elected and appointed Indian and British representatives with limited legislative powers, and in 1925 became the Assembly's president or speaker. He was an extremist, and in the later years of independence movement he became a fierce critic of Gandhi and a strong ally of Subhash Chandra Bose. The next freedom fighter was Abbas Tyabji. He was born on 1st February 1854 and died on 9 June 1936. He was an Indian freedom fighter from Gujarat and an associate of Mahatma Gandhi. He also served as the Chief Justice of Baroda State. Abbas Tyabji was born in Baroda State, where his father was in the service of the Gaikwad Maharaja. He was educated in England, where he lived for 11 years. Gandhiji appointed Tyabji at age 76 to replace him as leader of the Salt Satyagraha in May 1930 after Gandhi's arrest. Tyabji was arrested soon afterward and imprisoned by the British Indian government. Gandhi and others respectfully called Tyabji the Grand Old Man of Gujarat. The final freedom fighter is Purnima Arvind Pakwasa. She was born on 5th October 1913 and died on 25 April 2016. She was known as the Didi of Dangs, was an Indian independence activist and social worker from Gujarat. At the age of 18, she participated in the Dandi March, during which she was arrested, and she participated in the 51st session of the Indian National Congress at Haripura in 1938. In 1954, she started Shakti Dal, an institution for the cultural, physical, and spiritual education of women in Bombay, now Mumbai. She headed the Bosla Military School, Nashik, for 25 years. She was a pacifist leader, and the school chiefly served tribal girls of Dang. She turned 100 in October 2013 and died on 25th April 2016 at the age of 102 in Surat. I believe that this presentation was useful for you, and thank you for your valuable time.